The man pushed aside the woman's hair, staring in disbelief at the crack on her back. He gently pressed the connector at the nape of her neck, and the woman immediately lost all strength to resist. That was her only weak point, a weakness left by humanity to control their own kind. In the future world, rampant genetic technologies had caused massive changes to the Earth's ecological environment. Various species had mutated and interbred. Trees that breathed with lungs, plants with scorpion tails. The world had split into two extremes. The oligarchs, who controlled high technology, had built fortresses where they continued to live luxurious lives, enjoying the pre-disaster comforts, while those outside the fortresses struggled in the ruins, scavenging for unmutated plant roots and feeding on bread bugs raised on sawdust. Whisper, 13 years old, was a genius geneticist at an age when she should have been carefree. She instead scavenged food in the desolate wastelands, always wary of the wanderers and bandits who could appear at any moment. Luckily, her father was there to keep watch over their surroundings. Her father was a soldier from the fortress. He had been abandoned by the rulers after being severely injured in a mission, left only with a biosensor and accompanying drones to sense and communicate with the outside world. He survived thanks to the food Whisper found, which was fed to him via a feeding tube. Together, they struggled to survive in the post-apocalyptic world. One day, after Whisper went out to search for food, she returned home to find that the scorpion tail flowers used to protect their home had all withered. That door was broken. Without a doubt, someone had entered while she was gone. Her father used his biosensors to check the situation inside, but his weakened body couldn't hear a thing. Whisper drew her military knife, moving silently towards the house. Her father's room was intact, but the oil tank used to generate power had been damaged. They had lost their power supply. The biosensor connected to her father's brain had stopped working. And even worse, the oxygen supply system that helped him breathe had failed. Without oxygen, her father wouldn't last through the night. Whisper had no choice but to turn to the one person she hated most, her uncle. John asked for help,